Mama's right here. You cold? You hungry? Let's get you. I'm gonna feed you. Let's get you in here. Okay, tight. Let's get you. Now, Teddy's right beside you. Mama's here, baby. Mama's here. Ice cream. Sprinkles. Then we have a spoon. Ready? Hey, baby, let's get you your teddy. Oh, don't want that teddy there. Then let's get you. Ready? Now this time, let's put sprinkles. Look, it's blue sprinkles. Hold it. Holding it. Now. Just a second. I'm feeding the baby. I'll be right there. Just one second.
Do you have anything I could feed my baby?
Actually, when I'm done, I have some extra ice cream.
That would be great.
If you want, you can bring your baby over here and they can have ice cream together.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll be right back.
Now, meanwhile, let's get you some ice cream. Big, huge scoop.
Yeah,
This is little Ivy.
she even has a bib. Yeah, I
Let's
put her
get
on
you
her bed before she came.
Let's get you burped.
You're about to eat.
Ice cream!
Yes, it's ice cream. Yes, it is.
Me want ice cream!
I put on your bed so you can be ready.
I got the ice cream ready. I took a bigger scoop for you. So here's this. Now, sprinkles. No sprinkles. Sprinkles, okay.
Bite! I want to bite!
Maybe let's get you back here like this and get you on there. Mama's alright.
You're going to feed you some
Nom,
ice
nom, nom,
cream.
nom. Nom, nom, nom.
This has some sprinkles on it.
Ivy want lots of sprinkles.
One second, I'm getting it ready. You like it?
Good, good.
Want more?
More. Good, good,
Okay. Come on, let's get a burp here
Play
too.
with Ivy. Ivy, our daddy.
Oh, no.
I swear to
No,
play with
Ivy.
Ivy. Take the sprinkles out.
Are you okay? Oh, your baby's crying.
Oh, Jojo baby, it's okay. Mama's here, baby. Mama's here.
Do you think you should need some more ice cream? 'Cause I got a scoop for you.
Okay.
Here. Oh, first. You need ice cream to go with that. Here. Here, you can have the whole ice cream cone. I think your baby needs a napkin.
Okay, girls, I think you got enough ice cream for tonight. It's almost bedtime for Sarah. She needs to calm down for a while. We can see you tomorrow. How about that?
I would like that. Is it okay, Mommy?
Yeah, sure. As long as she says it's okay too.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. You too.
Let's go. It's time for bed. Let's get you back in bed for tonight. Get you all cuddled, cozy. It's a bit cozy. Cozy for tonight. Get your blanket. It's cozy. Good night, Sarah. Good night.
Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed by clicking the round button on your screen. And to watch some more of our videos, you can click one of the videos on your screen. Thank you so much for watching.